Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5. First, let's ensure your system is ready. You will need to check your computer's specifications against the game's minimum and recommended requirements. This includes verifying your operating system, processor, memory, and graphics card. For example, a good graphics card and 16 gigabytes of RAM are often recommended for a smooth experience. Meeting these ensures the game runs well from the start. Next, you will need to install the game. Always obtain Forza Horizon 5 from a legitimate source, such as an official digital store. Once purchased, download the installer and follow the clear on-screen instructions. Make sure you have ample free storage space, as the game often requires more than 100 gigabytes. A stable internet connection is also crucial for a smooth download and installation. After installation, launch Forza Horizon 5. The first step is to fine-tune your graphics settings to match your computer's capabilities for the best visual and performance balance. Then, customize your controls. Whether you prefer a keyboard, gamepad, or racing wheel, adjust them to your comfort. Finally, complete the initial races and tutorials. They are designed to introduce you to the core gameplay mechanics and the vibrant world. Now you are ready to dive into the game. Explore the expansive open world of Mexico, discovering countless hidden gems and breathtaking landscapes. Engage in a wide array of racing events, from street races to off-road challenges, and even participate in online multiplayer modes. Remember to upgrade and customize your vehicles. There are hundreds of cars and thousands of customization options to make each ride uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.